Hello everyone. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing fine. I'm so glad to and excited to connect with you all. So topic today is learn to forgive and let it go. There are many incidents in our life where someone has said a bad thing about you on your face or behind. They may be your family, friends, relatives, colleagues, or from society. People have bad opinion of you which hurts you very badly, which impacts you. Someone has misused you emotionally, mentally, financially, physically, by words, their actions, judgments, behaviors, or by experiences. Does it happen with you? Any one of you? Right? It happens with many of us. I would like to share one example with you. I had a bad experience where I gave money to one of my so called friend when his mother was in ICU and later she expired. She was not at home and traveled to a different location. After that incident, he borrowed money from me for the treatment and all the rituals. I helped him. But later, he completely disconnected and disappeared. So I don't know whether it was true or not. But this is one of the worst excuse a person can give, isn't it? If you have helped someone by giving money and person has not returned it and completely disconnects and disappeared, does it happen with any one of you? If you have helped someone when they need it, but they didn't help you when you needed them the most, has it ever happened with you? I guess yes, it must have. What opinion we make from all such experiences? We believe and say that it's of no use helping someone, right? We should not help anyone. We keep our status as helping is crime for me. People always misuse me. I should not help or respond if someone is asking for help. Henceforth, I will not help anyone, I will ignore it. Even we curse people or say bad words for what they did. Correct me if I'm making sense. Correct me if I'm wrong. Hope it all makes sense. You can resonate with what I'm saying, right? You have a bad experience which triggers bad thoughts and memories. Even now, if we try to recollect it, still you are not able to come out of it or avoid the feelings and the emotions, anger, anxiety, and the resentment it creates. It is like when a person is dead and buried, but still we are trying to dig it out, which was your past experience. But by embracing and remembering it again and again, you're going through it in the same thought and hurting yourself more and more. I will just give you one example. If you are holding a mug of water or jug of water in your hand, how long can you hold it? If you hold it for some time, your hand will start paining for some more time, your hand will start shaking with unbearable pain, and later the numbness comes. It becomes very difficult for you to hold it after that. So, what you need to do in that situation? You need to drop it or keep it down, right? That's the correct thing. Similarly, if you're holding on to such things and experiences, you're paralyzing your body, your mind, your soul by holding on to such words, experiences, beliefs, people, and memories. You're giving the space to someone in your thought, your mind, your heart, and your head who don't even deserve it. In a process, you are hurting yourself more, and it becomes a stubborn and a strong thought and the negative experiences which brings or generates negative vibes and brings more and more such negative experiences. It is a law of attraction. My dear friends, memories are like elephant's leg. On a wet soil of your mind, they make their mark or imprint forever. So free yourself from all the past bad experiences. It is very essential to learn it. This is a very important skill if you want to live a peaceful and worthy life. I know it is very difficult at times to do this, but we need to learn and implement it by forgiving and let it go. Forgive. I'm not saying forget, but it is remember without anger. By forgiving, you're healing yourself. By letting it go, you're growing. You will have a clean slate of life to create new and good experiences. So, just to recap, from your experiences, people you meet, situations we come across, we always have two choices in life. Either you can become bitter or better. It is all up to you. We need to learn and implement it by forgiving and let it go. Remember without anger. Forgive because by forgiving you are healing yourself, and by letting it go you are growing. Let's make a choice to forgive and let it go and grow forever. If you resonate with this thought and video, please comment below and send me a private message so I can add you to my special VIP group for more valuable content. If you found this video useful, please write your comments below so we can connect more. Thank you for watching this. Take care, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye-bye.